Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer, and you're watching this video because you've been sued by a debt collector in Alabama. And that means that you've been sued at least 99% of the time. You've been sued in state court, which means there's three types of state court. There's small claims, district, and circuit court. So what are your time limits to respond? Well, if you're in small claims or district court, you have 14 days from when you were served. Now, what about circuit court? You have 30 days from when you were served, which kind of begs the question, what does it mean to be served? Is that when they file the lawsuit? Is that when the process server comes and knocks on my door, but I'm not home? When does that start? Well, it's basically when you get the lawsuit, okay? So if somebody serves you and hands you the lawsuit, and that can be at your home, at your work, it can be on an airplane, okay? It can be anywhere. They hand you the papers, then that's gonna start the clock for when the 14 days if you're small claims or district court, or 30 days if you're circuit court. Now, if they send it by certified mail, it's typically when you sign for it, okay? But, you know, it's not something that you wanna just ignore and say, well, I'm just not gonna sign that, because sometimes the judge can say, well, we're going to count it anyway, or they may go to the next level, which is they let the other side run an ad in a newspaper that you'll never see, and then that becomes proper service for you. It also can mean when papers are handed to basically an adult who lives with you. So not somebody visiting for the weekend or for a week or two, but they actually live there, and the papers are handed to them. Even if you don't get them, that can be proper service. So if you think that you're being sued, and usually you'll have some warning, you'll start getting letters from lawyers, primarily bankruptcy lawyers, saying, hey, you've been sued, or you may need to think about bankruptcy. Look, don't ignore those, don't throw those away. Call your court, or you can call my firm, 205-879-2447. We'll look you up on the court system. Have you actually been served? Or have you been sued? And it'll tell us, not only have you been sued, but have you been served, and when were you served? Now you may say, well, that's not true. I was never served. But at least it tells you what the judge is thinking, what the court is thinking. So very important. So again, it's the being served, boom, that starts the clock running. And it's 14 days if it's in district court or small claims court, 30 days in circuit court, and you absolutely want to make sure you answer, because if you don't, then they can get a default judgment. And we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.